How to manage order issues on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with orders of your items on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device. Now, if you have not logged in with your account details, simply first log in. After that, to head towards the history of your item's order, you simply need to click on U icon from the bottom menu. Once you do, you will see the option of your orders. Simply click on it and in all order category, you will be able to see the history of the item that you have purchased and ordered in Temu so far. Now if you're having any trouble in it, simply go back in the U icon and at the top you see a headset. Simply click on it. That is the support section of Temu application. Here you have different category in which you can see the article which might help you to solve your problem. Even if the article did not help you, simply click on Contact Us option and you will be able to talk to virtual assistant of Temu live. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with orders of item on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.